Behind the doors, in an old corrugated hangar, we found medics and mechanics and a mountain pilot saying a little prayer. For their mission is testing, and their responsibility's great. Millions of people are counting on them. This is a mobile clinic with a doctor and a nurse who provide health care in the Kingdom of Lesotho, a mountainous territory which sits on the roof of southern Africa. And they've been given a critical task. They must deliver COVID-19 vaccines to the nation. But there is a terrible shortage here, and we have to fly 200 kilometers to pick up a couple of dozen jabs. How many doses do you have?
For now, we are having 30 doses.
30?
Yes.
Okay. How many doses are you going to need in total then?
In total, we'll need, let me estimate, 2 million doses.
2 million doses?
Yes, to be
wow.
at the secure site, yes.
Okay. The fact is, the vast majority in Lesotho are waiting for a vaccine. Tells you something about how precious they are.
For sure, yeah, definitely. There might be a lot of these being made, but like having them here, you know, the process to get them here has just been so long and detailed that it does make them precious.
We flew on to a place called Kubanyani, where key health workers and vulnerable adults have not been protected. And the pilot put us down on the mountainside. Our special cargo was handed over to a nurse, but it won't go far in a district of 10,000 people. How many people have been vaccinated here so far?
So far, 73.
73 people?
Yes, mostly the village health workers and the health center committee. Okay. And some of our colleagues here, staff members.
Okay.
Yes.
You're going to need a lot more.
Especially for the people here, yes.
It is an isolated spot, but the message has gone out about COVID-19 as a third wave of infection in Africa takes root. And we watched as they began to congregate. Why do you want to get a COVID vaccine? Do you think the virus could come here to the mountains? They were gathered in a room, warmed up by the sun, and given the first of a 2-dose vaccine. And the recipients said they were grateful. Are you one of the lucky people, the fortunate people? The supply of vaccines in Africa has almost ground to a halt, with the World Health Organization pleading with rich countries to donate their stocks. In some countries, they're talking about vaccinating children now. Here, you're still vaccinating health workers. I wonder, how do you feel about that?
We are not comfortable. Yes, it's not fair at all. It has to be rolled out as quick as possible because this pandemic is killing people.
The kingdom in the mountains has been left behind in the race to vaccinate the public. But as this shape-shifting virus encircles the world, Lesotho should be everybody's responsibility. John Sparks, Sky News in Kubanyani.